Welcome back to TechRadar. I'm audio and music editor Olivia Tambini, and I've been using the Apple AirPods Max for a little over a week now, and here's what I think of Apple's latest headphones. The Apple AirPods Max are the most hotly anticipated headphones of 2020, having been the subject of rumour and speculation for 2 years. As the first Apple over-ear headphones, expectations were high, especially considering the success of the Apple AirPods and the AirPods Pro, which have quickly become the most easily recognisable wireless earbuds available today. Since 2018, we've heard rumours that the AirPods Max would be the most advanced headphones ever to be released, with speculation that they would come with futuristic features like air gestures that wouldn't require you to touch the headphones at all to control them. If the AirPods Max had come with those game-changing specs, their $549 price tag may have been justified. Unfortunately, that's not the case. In reality, the Apple AirPods Max are more ordinary than many expected, albeit with extraordinary audio quality and brilliant quality of life features for those already devoted to the Apple ecosystem. Let's take a look at the positives first. The best thing about the AirPods Max is their sound, which is nothing short of outstanding. They can easily compete with the Sony WH-1000XM4 in this regard, with a wide immersive soundstage and carefully balanced profile, with crisp trebles, smooth mids, and powerful bass frequencies. With high levels of detail and clarity, the AirPods Max reveal elements in your favourite songs that you may not have noticed before, and that's the mark of a pair of really fantastic sounding headphones. The active noise cancellation is also class leading, sitting shoulder to shoulder with the Bose noise cancelling headphone 700, and the transparency mode is undeniably handy when you need to quickly tap into your surroundings. The design, although divisive, is another win for Apple. With large flat ear cups crafted from hunks of stainless steel, the AirPods Max look unmistakably Apple, focusing on simplicity and functionality. They feel premium, more so than the Sony WH-1000XM4, which are largely made from plastic, though that stainless steel build does mean that the AirPods Max are rather heavy. Apple's included a mesh headband that's designed to reduce the pressure on your head during use, but there's no escaping their density. If you're particularly sensitive to on-head pressure, the AirPods Max may not be the right headphones for you. Saying that, we did find them comfortable enough during our tests, and we appreciate the use of physical controls as opposed to the voguish swipe controls that most wireless headphones seem to favour these days. We particularly liked the reprisal of the Apple Watch's digital crown, which allows you to precisely adjust the volume and easily control your music playback. That's the thing about the AirPods Max and Apple products in general. They just work. Pairing is incredibly easy, we didn't experience any annoying connection dropouts, and Apple has eschewed technology like swipe controls that it doesn't deem good enough for its products for the sake of keeping up with the competition. One rather large design issue is the lack of 3.5mm audio port. If you want to listen to music with a wide connection or hook up the AirPods Max to an amp or DAC, you'll have to shell out for a USB-C to 3.5mm audio port adapter. That seems rather miserly when you consider the price, and if Apple wants to market these as a pair of premium headphones, the inability to use them with an amp straight out of the box is unfortunate. Another thing that will put off the audiophile crowd is the lack of support for high-res audio codecs, which is limited to the company's own Apple Digital Masters. It begs the question, who are the Apple AirPods Max for? Despite their premium price and fantastic sound quality, they certainly haven't been marketed towards audiophiles who want to eke out every last drop of audio fidelity from their headphones with the use of high-res audio codecs and amplifiers. Yet, their price means the AirPods Max are hardly a mass-market product either, as many casual music listeners will be unwilling to shell out so much for a pair of noise-cancelling headphones. The conclusion we've come to is that the AirPods Max are aimed squarely at Apple devotees, those who already have an iPhone, use Siri regularly, and perhaps already invested in a pair of AirPods in the past. There are so many benefits open to Apple users that Android users aren't privy to, including immersive spatial audio, the ability to automatically switch between iOS devices, one-tap setup, hands-free Siri activation, and audio sharing. For Android users, the AirPods Max are simply a high-performance pair of noise-cancelling headphones with an unusual design. And for these users, we can't see how the high price is justified. But if you're a card-carrying member of the wider Apple ecosystem, you have a lot of money to burn and you don't care about high-res audio, you won't find headphones that sound better or are easier to use than the AirPods Max. So, should you buy the Apple AirPods Max? We think you should buy them if you have an iOS device, because pairing and using the Apple AirPods Max with iOS devices is incredibly simple, and we can't help but commend Apple for the fantastic user experience that comes with these headphones. We'd also recommend them if you want your headphones to stand out from the crowd. They look quite unlike any headphones on the market today, and that sleek design is sure to turn heads on your daily commute. They're also suitable if you watch a lot of movies on your iOS device thanks to the inclusion of spatial audio. We don't think you should buy the Apple AirPods Max if you only use Android devices. That's because of their high price, and you'll end up missing out on a lot of the features that set them apart from the competition. We also wouldn't recommend them if you're looking for high-res audio support, and if you're just looking for great sound in general. That's not because they don't sound good, but if audio fidelity is your sole concern, you could spend your money on a pair of high-spec reference headphones with an open back design, balanced connection, and the ability to plug into an external amp instead. Thanks for watching. Let me know down in the comments below if you think the AirPods Max price tag is justified. If you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like and consider subscribing to TechRadar on YouTube so you don't miss any of our future coverage. And finally, remember to head to techradar.com to read my full written review.